Hello job aspirants. Welcome to Job Alert channel. The Railway Recruitment Board has given a notification for recruitment in Railway Protection Force. As a part of this notification, RRB is going to recruit 4,208 constables and 452 sub-inspectors into RPF executive category. Education qualification for constable is 10th pass, and for sub-inspector is graduate from a recognized university. Age limit is 18 to 28 years for constables and 20 to 28 for sub-inspectors. Pay scale for constables is 21,700 plus allowances in level 3 CPC pay matrix, whereas for sub-inspectors is 35,400 plus allowances in level 6 pay matrix. Application fees for general OBC candidates are 500 rupees. For SC, ST, female, minorities, and EWS, application fees is 250 rupees. Mode of payment is online only. The recruitment process shall comprise of the two stages. Stage 1 is computer-based test and Stage 2 is physical efficiency test, physical measurement test. Coming to the exam pattern of Stage 1 CBT exam. It will be conducted for 90 minutes with 120 questions carrying 1 mark for each question. Every wrong answer will be deducted with 1/3 negative marking. Minimum pass percentage for eligibility is General, EWS and OBC/NCL should get minimum 35%. And SC and ST should get minimum 30%. Syllabus of CBT exam is General Awareness 50 questions for 50 marks, Arithmetic 35 questions for 35 marks, Reasoning 35 questions for 35 marks. So total 120 questions for 120 marks. Application last date is 14th May 2024. Notification link and RRB website links are given in the description. If you like this information, please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit like button. Thank you.